The LG V20 is here, and today I'm in a video on the T-Mobile REVVL 5G. So this is the first REVVL phone to feature 5G connectivity, so that is really cool, and this is the main selling point for the REVVL 5G is its 5G connectivity. So you guys want to get 5G on the cheap, this is the phone to check out. Yeah. So it says here a 5G phone for all. So quick specs on the REVVL 5G, of course, is 5G, 4500 mAh battery, and 128 GB of storage. So that's pretty cool. So the REVVL 5G is available for $399.99. So for $100, you're getting 5G on the cheap. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take this one for a spin. So you guys will have your whole phone to place in camera. Yeah, it's a really nice wallpaper there, pretty sweet. On the right side of the REVVL 5G, you guys have a power button on it. Pink power button, so that's really cool. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, okay. So then on the back of the REVVL 5G, you guys will have 3 cameras in the back, camera flash, and sensor, T-Mobile logo, and it's available in like this reddish pinkish color, which I think is very nice. It does look pink on the screen to me, but I think it looks very nice. So pretty nice color, even though it looks like pink, I still think it looks nice. So pretty nice color and all that. It looks premium. So yeah, I don't know if it's metal or plastic. I don't know. And that's what I'll do with 5G. You guys will have micro SD and some kind slot. And I think your volume keys will be on the right side of the phone as well, I think. And it's kind of hard to tell because it's blocking the trim. It's kind of hard to tell. So yeah. And then on the top of the REVVL 5G, you guys will have headphone jack and a noise cancellation microphone. To the bottom of the phone, you guys will have Type-C charging. It does look like dual speakers, but it's not. One of them is a microphone, so you keep it in mind. So it says here the all-new REVVL 5G features high-tech cameras, powerful battery life, and 5G speeds, all at a great price. It's 5G innovation without compromise, and you will experience it on America's largest nationwide 5G network. Quick specs on the REVVL 5G, of course, its main selling point is 5G 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display, triple main camera system with 48 megapixels. You have an 8 megapixel super wide and a 5 megapixel macro camera on the back. And I think the camera is 16 megapixel front camera, 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage, and 4500 mAh battery. So pretty cool. So if you guys switch to Metro, you can get the REVVL 5G for $200. So if you guys want to get this one half off, switch to Metro and get the REVVL 5G for $200. So I think it's a fucking steal at $200. So yeah, a fucking win right there. So you have 3 cameras in the back at 48 megapixels, 8 megapixels, and a 5 megapixels in the back. Triple camera system gives no photos per level quality, 4500 mAh battery, fast charging battery with ATG, fast charging capability, keep you going all day. 6.53 inch Full HD Plus display. Enjoy true to life visuals on the REVVL 5G's vivid immersive display. Snapdragon 765 processor, a faster processor for superior responsiveness. That's pretty cool. So it says a advanced triple camera system, a powerful 48 megapixel main camera, 118-degree super wide angle and backward lens, and the ability to shoot in 4K gives your photos and videos pro level quality. So pretty nice there. Super responsive performance. Experience America's largest nationwide 5G network with the REVVL 5G, featuring incredible speeds powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 series processor and a long-lasting 4,500 mAh battery. Iconic design. REVVL 5G has true flagship look with its matte finish and 2.5D glass display that is as smooth to touch as it is to hold. Exquisite details such as the power button, notification light, and square camera frame sets this phone apart from the rest. So your power button does light up for notifications. So like with the REVVL 4 Plus, your power button does light up. So that is pretty fucking sick right there. And of course, the REVVL 5G has Metro Play. It says get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This phone includes Metro Play, an app offering creative content from over 60 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Just swipe right from your home screen and tap the Metro Play tab at the top. It's pretty easy. All the specs on the REVVL 5G, of course, are pretty fucking good. This is like the top of the line of the phone for this year. So yeah. So this is the most expensive REVVL phone this year. So for $400, you are getting a lot. You have 128 gigabytes of storage, about 114 gigabytes of HDD, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 6.53 inch Full HD Plus display, 48 megapixel mirror, 8 megapixel super wide, and a 5 megapixel macro lens, and a 16 megapixel front facing camera. So pretty nice. 256 gigabytes of micro SD card expansion, mobile hotspot, 32 hours of talk time, Android 10, Snapdragon 765 octa-core processor, and the REVVL 5G is 7.58 ounces. Alright, so pretty cool there. And you got some accessories for the REVVL 5G right here. So check that out. So do you guys have it? The REVVL 5G is right here at Metro by T-Mobile to REVVL now for $399.99. Or if you guys switch to Metro, you can get this one for $200. So not bad for a 5G phone. So if you guys are looking to get a 5G phone on the cheap, the REVVL 5G is worth taking a look at. This was here are fucking awesome. The phone looks very nice. And the paint color looks very nice as well, so great job T-Mobile for that. So yeah, if you guys want 5G on the cheap, get that REVVL 5G, and yeah, that's all. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Bless my peace and weight, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.